Baningi ababiziweko kodwa bambalwa abakhethiweko. Kwabambalwa abakhethiweko bambadlwana bathatha ukukhetheka kwabo namahono wabo njengokubalekileko. Phakathi kwenitshijilo kwabalilele ehloko ukuthi imbewu ililize ngaphandle kwehlabathi bakulwela ukuphakama bathi nabaphakamako bazehlisa abakhange balibala ukufezekisa unobangela wokuphila kwabo ngaphasi komthunzi welanga bathwele nguzimu netshisakalelo yokuchaphulula yokuthambisa nokujulisa imkhumbulo labo impumelelo nokuthuthuka kwesitshaba bathatha njengekwabo khuthalele bakuhlahlela indlela bayazikhuthaza nginivezela umzekelo ophilako osifakazisako nakukhulunywa ngokuthi kwamambala uzimu uyamphakamisa umuntu ongasilitho amhlalise namakosi ngusithole sikaMasangana kuzimu nomhlanga ngusumba sakobela athi amabela angakavuthwa gogodele ngusiduda nabakhwekazi kanrini inhloni zakhe zakhamba nomfula ngathani inkomo iyathokoza yayi zakuthokoza usithole yena isizayidliwa zizitha ngathani inkomo ithi baba emntwini yayi zakuthi baba kusithole likhozi limavundla amanye asabunene datsha likamachiyane lachi izinja zibuthene ngomgijimo esitshabeni sekhethu ikesi sinechuduke thina umkhanyo wakhe siubonele eduze usinikele ithemba sifikelwe kusithemba nathi sizinkesi esinenkesi siziphembe ngaye inengi limbonela kude ngimabona kude bamuzwe emoyeni emhathweni bamfunde emaphaphandabeni emagumbini amane womhlaba uyindaba mlonyeni umthombo wamezwa hlabaphukele loyo naloyo selakiwe uyakhuthazeka uyakheka uyakhula ngasikhathi uba nokuthula ngokunye raranula ngaphakathi ihloso kusikinya umkhumbulo amehlo aqala dzimelele kukhanyeni angimumetheka ukusabalalisa ngemhlolo lapha sabela khona ilwazi ngemthetho nemigomo yempilo ifihlo yokuzwisisa intshitshilo zakho nokuthi akwenziwa ngehlahla aphethe ngokuthi kwamambala kuyenzeka begodu kuyahoneka ngikhuluma ngezizukulwane sakwamahlangu sosibozi mabhoko ngumgwezana kokosi lehoshe limnyama kanti amanye ayakhanya ngumapho kusindeni umhlaba nethuli mhlazana nganathuli kumhlazana kuliwa umapho kakathomi umuntu uthoma bamthomako ngumadla zabanye kanti nakudliwa zakho uyajabajaba nam la ngiyajama Sewula Africa nanguDumsani Dimen Sithole uzimu yinkosi mina ngithi uzimu linrebele igama lami ngingulindo kuhle ngiyimbongikazi
Akwande Mzansi kuDimen uDumsani wakwaSithole ngifuna ukuthi kuwe namhlanje kakarela mntwana ekhaya na uza kupopha ngelinye ilanga ngifuna ukukukhumbuza mntwana ekhaya ukuthi nawe ngelinye ilanga uza kuthokoziswa nawe ngelinye ilanga uza kuba nakho nawe ngelinye ilanga isikhwama sakugcwala nawe ngelinye ilanga uzakuthi na uqala emva ubone bona ubusisekile it takes time mntwana ekhaya fanele uzwisise bona input is equivalent to output you must deposit the enough and the equivalent amount of work that will give you the equivalent amount of results angeke wawathola ama results mntwana ekhaya ungafaka umsebenzi for as long as you are doing the right thing for as long as you keep on knocking kuzokwenzeka nawe mntwana ekhaya ngelinye ilanga ngenzeka namhlanje iveke lenyanga leyo this year but kuzokwenzeka for as long as you keep going you need to go ube nekane mntwana ekhaya you'll get enough no's you'll get a lot of no's there are a lot of people abazokuvalela iminyango bangafuni ukubona there's a lot of people who will reject you there's emails azongena kuwakutshele ukuthi you are not good enough kodwa that is not a determining factor nathi sabathola bono's mntwana ekhaya we are still getting no's namhlanje nawe uzobathola quite a number of no's but it only takes 1 year there's only 1 year ozakwenza bona impilo yakho ichuguluke there's only 1 year ozokwenza ukuthi nawe upope there's only 1 year ozakwenza nawe ubone bona nawe umuntu hlangana nabanye abantu yes mntwana ekhaya ngiyazi ukuthi mhlambe you are not getting closer uzibona ngathi mhlambe usehlathini uzibona ngathi sometimes ngathi ulahlekile abantu abakhuluma ngama achievements ubona ngathi mhlambe wena ngathi awuphili ngebanga lokuthi you've been getting a lot of rejections that you have lost count awusazi bona uyephi kodwa linye ilanga for as long as you never stop for as long as you keep going for as long as you keep changing the strategy for as long as you keep changing the manner in which you are approaching things for as long as you put enough work for as long as you keep networking with people people, try to find out ukuthi ungatshentsha kuphi, ungachugulula kuphi, try and find out ukuthi namhlanje kwenzakeleni, ungasebenzisa intayela zakade zokwenza izinto. Mhlawumbe you've been getting lost because you are relying on old information. You need to update yourself and be relevant to the inkatini zanamhlanje emntwana ekhaya. Be relevant to the marketplace. Ngoba into eziningi namhlanje they are moving to fourth industrial revolution. Wena mhlawumbe usaphethe ama-hard copy, usagijima emnyango nemnyango wama-hard copy. Nje siku-COVID-19, amakampani amaningi akasafuna ama-hard copy. Izinto zenzeka ngama-soft copies. Mhlawumbe wena awukwazi nokuthumela i-email, ngenza umzekelo. Awukwazi nokuthumela i-email. So you need to go back to the drawing board uzibuza ukuthi how do I channel myself to the current marketplace? How do I supply what I want to supply so that I can get what I need in return? Kufanele mntwana ekhaya uzitshele bona I will do all I have to do until I ultimately get what God wants me to get. Ngebanga lokuthi uzokufika mntwana ekhaya. Kodwa nama ngeke ngakuthembisa ukuthi kuyokuthatha isikhathi singangani. Abantu asifani, mina ngangithatha iveke, kungithathe 2 days, wena kukuthathe 5 years. Abantu asifani, nemphiwo zethu azifani. So ke wena keep going. Nanyana kubuhlungu keep going. Nanyana bakuhleka keep going. Nanyana bathini uzokukakarela, bambelela, ibanekane, uzitshele ukuthi ngibelethele bona ngibe yi-driver of my own destiny. I can't be a spectator. Angeze ngahlala solo ngicala ngemaqadi ngibethela abanye abantu izandla. Iye ngizobabethela ukubathokozisa. Kodwa nami my time will come. Lizakufika ilanga nami la ngizakubusiseka khona. Keep going. Change your strategy. Do things differently. Sell different products. Change your pricing. Change your strategic plan. Do things differently mntwana ekhaya. Go to different people. Try and suck out all the information oyidinga ngoba siphila ku-information age. Namhlanje izinto zijugulukile mntwana ekhaya. All the information we need iphelele ikhona la ezandleni zethu. So we need to use our mind, our engine, so that we can get the right information and be able to position ourselves so kwazi ukujama. I-striker emdlalweni webholo sikora ngoba siba ku-position right for ukuthi sikhona ukureceive ibholo. Umuntu wajaha wagijima ugcina offside, ureferee abethe i-referee athi u-offside ngebanga lokuthi ugijime msinya waba offside. Sinenkinga yabantu abaningi abafuna ama-shortcut to success. Umuntu agcina azithola sejele, umuntu agcina azithola lele embhedeni wesibhedlela ngebanga lokuthi you were trying the quick ways to succeed. So ke you need not to take i-shortcut mntwana ekhaya. Ayikho indlela efishane empumelelweni. It doesn't take, it's not a walk in a park. Inzima mntwana ekhaya ngoba not everyone understand the vision onayo. So not everyone will understand what you're trying to achieve. That is why you'll keep getting no's. But no is NO. It means next opportunity. You need to keep on the next door. You need to walk on to different people. Keep sending emails mntwana ekhaya. But reject is fine. Nabagrejetako. Nami, if I can show you the amount of rejections that I got, they might probably be greater than when I now. But I kept going. I kept doing. I still get rejections by the way. Nanamhlanje. There are proposals I reject. They are not good enough. I keep going. I change few things. Ngiyazama ukuthola ukuthi okay, kuze ifeyile yini so that I can do things differently. Now emntwana ekhaya bathi a foolish person is someone that does things the same way over and over again and expect to get different results. Iningi lethu sibethwa ngokuthi uthi ngiyakakarela kodwa ukakarela kwenzeni into efanako over and over again. That is why you keep getting the same results. Change mntwana ekhaya. Adapt to different things. Sometimes you might be forced to change to something ongekho comfortable kiyo ngoba awukakayijayeli. Mhlawumbe wena awukakajayeli ukubamba ama-meetings electronically, ujwayela ama-physical meetings. Kodwa inkathi zichugulukile namhlanje sibamba ama-meetings kubo-Zoom, sibamba ama-meetings kubo-Teams, sibamba ama-meetings kubo-Skype because isikhathi siyakukatelela bona uchange uchuguluke. Nawe kuze uphumelele mhlawumbe you are forced ukuthi le product oyithengisako uyichange kancane mntwana ekhaya so that it can be relevant. Ukwazi ukuba relevant nawe mntwana ekhaya. Nemfoni nazo ziyachange mna. Ifoni nanoma ibrand isafana. Ifoni engayikhombisa yona yebrand efana namhlanje is different to that of 2009. Ngebanga lokuthi inkathi zichugulukile, they were forced to change so that they can keep updating. Babe nezinto ezihlukileko. Mhlambe nawe i-CV yakho idinga bona ibe nento ezihlukileko. Mhlambe your business proposal idinga bona ibe nento ezihlukileko. Mhlambe your product idinga bona kube nama-added advantage and added benefit. Think outside the box. You don't pay to think, but you get paid for your thinking. Explore your thinking. Use your engine. There is no limit to thinking. You never pay. There's no end limit for you to think. So explore, exhaust it. cabanga mntwana ekhaya, think outside the box. Ungacabangi ngendlela abaningi bacabanga ngayo ngoba uyokuthola lokho abaningi abakutholako. Cabanga ngendlela ehlukileko so that uzokuthola izinto abaningi abangazitholiko. Mntwana ekhaya sebenza, kakarela mntwana ekhaya kusilula. Impilo isinge ekhaya, nama kusinge ekhaya. And you must remember bona no one owes you nothing. Akekho umuntu okolodako mntwana ekhaya. Lisuqala abantu uthi ubani ukoloda ina. No one owes you nothing. You need to fight for what you believe in. You need to fight for your sport. You need to prove yourself. You need to believe in yourself. You need to give in quality. You need to go an extra mile mntwana ekhaya. Sometimes it might even force you ukuthi uwenze izinto uzenza simahla. Sometimes it must force you to volunteer. Sometimes it might even force you bona wenze izinto uphisane ngazo. You are doing that to show the quality work that you are doing. Sometimes it might force you bona ube outside the comfort zone, ube at the zone where you are forced to ama-deadlines. Mhlawumbe ujwayele ukusebenza urelaxed, now you are pushed ukuthi ama-deadlines you must deliver by the certain date. You need to do that so that you can position yourself ukwazi uba ku-marketplace. Yenza lokho imarket ekufunako mntwana ekhaya, imarket eza kunikela lokho okufunako. And ngifuna ukukutshela ukuthi mhlambe kungenzeka bona uluze abantu bowuthembele kibo. Lalela mntwana ekhaya, those that you have lost haven't gone with your dream. The dream is sesekhona ngaphakathi kwakho. So whatever is left of you is all you need to get started and to get closer to your God-given destiny. Kakarela mntwana ekhaya, nawuza kupopa ngelinye ilanga. Uzumikosi.